this chapter, we are going to look at the color modes. So, there is a total of 5 color modes that we need to know when we are working as a graphic designer. These color modes are BitMap, Grayscale, RGB, CMYK, and Lab Color. So now, let us understand one by one what are these color modes. So, at first, BitMap. BitMap is a two-color image where 100% white and 100% black is used. But there is no smooth combination between black and white. Here, under BitMap, you can see an image which is a QR code basically. And a QR code is a perfect example of a bitmap image. If you look at the QR code, then you will see there is only two colors, black and white. And that's the bitmap image where only 100% white and 100% black color are used. And then come grayscale. Grayscale is basically a smooth combination of black and white. When we see a black and white image, we say that it's black and white image, but in graphic design language, we call it grayscale. So anything that you see black and white, that is basically a grayscale image. And of course, there will be a smooth combination between black and white in grayscale image. And then come RGB. RGB basically stands for red, green and blue. And this is one of the most important color modes between these 5. We use RGB color mode for electronic media work. Then comes cmyk. cmyk stands for cyan, magenta, yellow and K for black. So basically, it's a print media color mode. Common in these whole colors, all the colors of the world can be created, and for print media work we use cmyk color mode. And then comes lab color. Basically, it is used in automotive industry, the textile industry, and etc. From these 5 color modes, RGB and CMYK is the most important one because these 2 color modes will be going to use the most. And we have to keep these 2 things in our mind. Whenever we are working for electronic media work, we always have to use RGB color mode. And when we are working on print media work, we always have to use CMYK color mode. Now let us understand about the resolution. And what is the thing about the resolution that we have to keep in our mind when we are working as a graphic designer? There is only 2 things that you have to keep in your mind when you are working in electronic media work. You always have to use 72 resolution. And when you are working in print media work, you always have to use 300 resolutions. This is the resolution that you have to use when you are taking a new file on your document or you are creating a file on your computer. So, it's all about resolution.